Do versus make. 10 things we do. We do homework.
Do we have to do homework?
I have to get home to do homework.
Travis, you can do homework whenever you want.
We do the dishes.
I cook, I clean, I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
It's your turn to do the dishes, fellas.
We do the laundry.
I'll do the laundry by myself.
Need I remind you it's your day to do the laundry?
You didn't do the laundry.
We do the shopping.
I'll do the shopping.
I'll do the shopping.
Please let me do the shopping.
We do exercise.
Do exercise extreme caution.
Do exercise 4, 5, and 6.
He's got to do exercise.
You do your job.
Just do your job, okay?
My job is to make sure that you do your job.
Come in there, and you do your job.
You do your hair.
Let Carlo do your hair, all right?
You always have time to do your hair.
You don't do your hair because you don't have any hair.
You do a favor.
Yes, but I'd like you to do a favor for me, please.
Would you do me a favor and take this?
Do me a favor.
You do housework.
Can you do housework?
He knows you do housework.
Oh, I can do housework.
You do your best.
You just gotta do your best.
Just do your best to blend in.
Do your best, ma'am.
10 things we make. We make a cake.
Oh, I'm gonna make a cake.
How else do you make a cake?
Because you can't make a cake without flour.
We make money.
Big bank, small bank, I like to make money.
Make money?
We make money, Edward.
We make a decision.
Just make a decision and stick to it.
I need him to make a decision.
I make a decision right then and there.
We make a mistake.
I can't make a mistake.
I didn't want to make a mistake.
We're only human, and we can all make a mistake.
We make a plan.
We'll make a plan, dear.
We make a plan, stick to the plan, always deliver.
You need to make a plan.
We make a phone call.
If there's any trouble, you make a phone call.
I have to make a phone call.
Just make a phone call for me, all right? Please?
We make a promise.
Let's make a promise.
Never make a promise you can't keep.
You make a promise to a man, you shake his hand.
We make noise.
I was planning to make noise.
That's gonna make noise.
They make noise.
We make friends.
Can't make friends. To make friends.
We should make friends with him.
We make an effort.
Make an effort, Jake.
The point is that I make an effort.
Well, even in life you can make an effort.
Subscribe and study more English with English Masters.